Alright guys, alright guys, alright guys, alright guys. Let's turn down the volume a bit and let's start the stream a bit. Let's start the stream, guys. Let's start the stream. Let's start the stream. Sorry guys, I think I've been talking for minutes and my voice has not been coming out, so I have to do like this is 5 more minutes. So let me quickly break down gold again from the beginning, and let's see what we're talking about on gold. So let's look at gold quickly. So gold weekly candle is bullish. Gold weekly candle is bullish, but you can see that price tested a level of resistance here and is rejecting that level. So if I go over to my daily time frame, you can see that lies actually a major resistance level where price has tested about multiple times. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Price has tested level 8 times. You can see it's rejecting of that level. You get me? It's rejecting of that level. So if I scale down to my 4 hours, or if you look at this on the daily, there's also a level here where it looks like this is the daily time frame with likely recess before pushing back to the upside. Okay, second, guys. I think I have problem with my videos. It's not displaying the way I want it to display. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Just give me 1 second. Anyway, let's continue the video. I think I'll just do the video from this point. So let's continue the video. I think after the stream, I'll try and figure it out. I'll try to figure out what's going on. For now, okay. Like I said on the daily time frame, you can see where price is jetting off here. So if I go to my 4 hours time frame, in the 4 hours, I can see that price has a price has a resistance level above here. The price will likely come to retest. So this area we're looking at on the this is level we're looking at on the 4 hours for price to retest. Also look for probably bullish continuation. Or so if you scale down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour you can see that if I zoom in a bit, you can see that there are a lot of candle rejections going on there. So we can adjust our level on the 1 hour because 1 hour has a different level from the other time frame. So on the 1 hour, you can see that price has actually tested a certain area and it is rejecting over that level right now. You can see it. So now let's get down to the much lower time frame and let's see if we can get anything. So looking at 30 minutes, you can see that we have like a bullish momentum for 30 minutes, and this can be a rejection candle for price to actually start pushing upward. So if I go over to um, 1 50 minutes, it seems like price is still rejecting off that level. So what's going to happen is that we're going to wait and see how. Let's see. What's going to wait see what's price going to do, and we'll know if we're going to probably place it buy because price has already moved. Like, let's see the 1 hour again. Let's see the 1 hour. 30 minutes. So I don't know if we just get probably buy from here, price will go to the upside. And let's wait a bit. Let's just wait a bit. Let's wait a bit for price to play some kind of structure, some those different kind of structure for us to know exactly what we're gonna do. So but let's wait for a bit. This is just one section. One section decided now. Let's wait and see what happens. So you won't be surprised. You won't be surprised if price actually breaks this high and actually continue pushing up after it breaks the high. You won't be surprised. So, bro, let's wait a bit and see. You get me? Price might actually break this high. Price might break this high and push. You get? Might break this high and push. So, so what happens is that if you get a bearish candle, if you get a bearish candle like this, which makes reason bearish, you might look for opportunity to sell. But the problem here is the range. How many big range do you have? So let's just see. Let's see. So you can see the 1 hour. Like I said, the 1 hour is this level. This level is important. Like this, looking like a breaker in test, and price might actually push to the upside. So, but I feel like if price wants to move to the upside, it should also give me a level of resistance where I can be sure that this is want to push up from. So, I want this candle to close bearish. Then from the bearish candle, I can look for opportunity for me to go long. So, probably um just for price pushing in, pushing down, give me some bearish momentum, then I can look to buy it. That's what I want price to do. But if I don't get that now, if I don't get anything like that, then I'm okay. I'm pretty much okay with the setup. You get me? You know, okay with setup. So the goal for the week was to make around 30 to the goal for the week was to make around 30 to $20. That was the goal for the week. Well, we're already up like $14 already, so 6 months dollar. So I feel like if I enter one decent trade, just one decent trade with my loss size I'm using, I feel like we can get to that um get to our goal. So let's just wait and let's see how price presents himself. So we know exactly how we're going to respond to it. But for now, there's nothing going on. There's nothing absolutely going on. So wait, you just wait. You don't have to just wait and see what price does. We're not in a hurry, so we're not in a hurry to enter any trade, so we don't make any mistake. Hope you can hear me. Like, hope you can hear me. Like, I'm having serious issues just wait and see. So, Caleb, what's up? So we're still waiting. We're still waiting on this. We're still waiting to see anything. We're still waiting to see if anything will happen in the chat. But for now, there's nothing going on. So I'll wait. Like he's looking at this. I won't lie. I won't lie. I'm very honest with you. I'm very honest. I'll pretty much very honest with you. This exact point looking for a buy based on higher confidence and break and retest. You can see it's also a 1 hour level. You can see it's 30 minutes. I think the 30 minutes also even close. goes well. You get me? You can see it. So it's looking like a very good opportunity for me to go long. But I don't want to gamble. I seriously don't want to gamble it. I seriously don't want to gamble it. So I just want price to give me like a decent reason for me to probably continue buying it or something. So that's just it. So for now, I don't think I'm going to. I don't give a flying fuck because I feel like this candle can still reject this level, and from there we can look for opportunities to go long. I don't know what's going on with my screen. My screen is not showing completely. Like the half of it is cut off. I won't be able to do anything now to the end of the stream. So sorry if I able to cut. If I cut off some parts, look like I cut off some parts by mistake on the stream. Sorry guys, it's not my fault. It's just what's going on with my stream. So let's just wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's see if we can get anything. Then we know exactly what we're going to do or how we're going to face a trade. Yeah. So I'm just waiting patiently, guys. I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting patiently for price to do something. So now I see my price is creating that price is creating that resistance I'm talking about. So I need a resistance level. So I might look for sales, but the problem here is the range. The range is just there. It's just literally there. I need like more range for me to sell off. So this is just there. And I'm basically chasing 20 people. So I need like a much larger range of like 50 people for me to know that okay, the possibility of price getting to 20 people is just right there. But currently you can see that price is not even pushing. So let's see. So I can look like I can mark up this point now as my resistance. We have 7 more minutes. So let us wait and see how it goes. So I want to mark up this. Like I said, if I'm looking for buys, if I'm looking for opportunities to go long on this trade, I need some other things. I need some other conference. Yes, I need some other good conference. So you see, we just avoided taking an unnecessary loss. So assuming I place it, the buy stop we actually broke above. Assuming I placed the buy above that level, you can see that we have what happened with price will have eventually gotten us out of the trade right now. So like unnecessary, it's not. We don't want to be fully going against the trend unless we are ranging. If you are in a range now, like in a range, and you're trading based on like trading off the range, it's a very different scenario. Unlike this one now, price is just pushing downwards. Do you get me? I don't understand. I don't know if that makes sense. So we have to just wait. You have to wait and just see. Have to wait and see. So we have a couple of minutes to wait. So let's wait and see how price what price does. So I'll probably put on this point. The price break below this structure. I don't know how I'm cutting it up again. The price break below this structure, I can probably look for opportunity because here's my support. Here is my current support. And here is looking like my current resistance. So if I go to the 50 minutes, this is where I'm working it. You understand? I can see it. I can look for sales. If I'm looking for sales, I should be below this low. I can see the range is just 13 pips. So I have to wait for price to reject around this level. And if I'm also going to look for buys, I need price to give me something clean. Then I'll look for opportunities. I'll go for longs and I'll look to make money off the trade. So that's it. That's it, guys. So that's it, guys. So let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what's going on. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. We're waiting. Wow, price rejection. Problem means I can see a massive rejection from that level, which is good. The 30 minutes is still looking good. So, so let's see how this 30 minutes goes though. Or this, not the 15. Let's see. Okay, if the next, let me see if I can get that to come out. Hold on 1 second, guys. So if I can get like a bullish candle closing above like this level, the if I can get a bullish candle closing like above like this, then maybe I can bullish candle closing above the next 15 minutes candle, like not this one or the next 15 minutes candle. Then I can look for opportunities to like go long. You get me? So I want this one close the way it is. Like in 2 minutes, I want to close the way it is. Then from there, I'll look for opportunities. So that way I see your gold. I really hope you guys can see my screen because it's looking like it's called off. It's looking like it's called off. I didn't even notice. I just had to look at it on my OBS and I noticed it on my OBS. But I stream from OBS, so I just saw it on my OBS. The main thing is showing okay, but the other side is showing it's not showing jack. Okay, I think I've managed to put it together. Yeah, I managed to put it together though, but it's not the best. But yeah, I think I put it back together. I just had to open another tab in the screen. So that one I did. I think we're better now. Okay, this pair is not closing the way I want it to close, but I feel like we're going to give it an opportunity if it's let's see. I feel like we're going to go actually going to give it an opportunity, depending on how this next can push. So let's push in. And see, the unit 15 minutes never broke below the previous 15, so that's something good. That's something good. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. He has broken above the highs. Let's see the 5 minutes. How's the 5 minutes looking? 5 minutes. 30 minutes. I really don't want to buy this like this. I really don't want to buy this. Because even if I buy it from this level, looking at the 15 minutes as well, the 15 minutes has its own level like right here. And this is also this level right here, where price is also a level. You understand? It's also a resistance level. So I'm trying to be very, 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 very careful with how I um place place any trade. Again, I'm very, very careful on how I place any trade. So I need cleaner moves. Like I know you guys have been playing my stream. You guys will see some of the cleaner moves you have been having. Like I'm not been having this kind of moves of late. Yeah, there's some moves you see like very clean, like very, very clean. Like crazy. So I want to wait till the 30 minutes close. If he breaks above and he push and he moves, That's fine. There's no stress. There's no issue about that. So just wait. I need something. I need price to create a resistance level for me, so I can look to buy up to something. You get. So that one price will actually create like a level of resistance. So you can actually look to execute off that resistance. So that's what one price will actually do. Yeah. So I have to actually wait for that. I have to actually wait for that. So that's what I'm waiting for. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's quickly look at GJ as well. Let's see what GJ is doing. So GJ, oh, but now GJ actually played the nice fake outs. Like GJ played the perfect trade. You get GJ actually played the perfect trade. Your entries were being below here, stop loss around 12 pip, and price pushed down. Oh, the range you can see the problem in GJ like is the range, but just that assuming you enter GJ, we have actually risk more. These are our risks from that just because the whole movie in GJ is slow, so we have actually just reduced our risks, but it would have still been a good idea if I entered the well, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. So let's wait. There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. There's absolutely nothing going on, guys. So absolutely nothing going on. So let's wait on gold. So I need gold to like give me that stuff I need. So I can say, okay, yes, gold has done it now, then I can enter it because I need to be comfortable, like very comfortable entering the trade and you know that the trade is good. So this is my support. I say I haven't gotten a resistance level yet for this stuff. So let's just wait. Probably we can get a sell if I break the low. And this is just like a 50 pip range. So I feel like if price break the low, you can still give us an extra 50 pip, which is like completely 100 pip more. So let's wait. Let's just be patient and see. Let's wait and see, guys. Okay. Yeah, so waiting, guys. We're waiting. Nine more minutes. I don't feel like in 9 more minutes. I don't think I'm even going to get anything soon. No, I don't even like I'm going to get anything to enter any trade. You get me? So we see us waiting for price to just do something crazy. Yes, something crazy. So we'll be here for. I think we'll be here for a minute. I need to check. So let's go, guys. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, please give us a like and subscribe, and let's see how this goes. So the goal for this account is actually to take it to. I don't want to. First of all, starting the challenge, I didn't want to put a number that looks very realistic. So that's why I decided with 50 to 1,000. So the plan is that if you eventually get to 1,000, the plan is to from 1,000 take it to 5K, from 5K push it to 10K, from 10K push it to um from 10K push it to like 50K. Then that's where we like to stop. If possible, if you guys want us to, if you eventually get there and you guys want to keep pushing it to the no problem. And also, you also need to know that there's also a possibility of us also still blowing the account. So just know that it's something you also know in the back of you. Just know that it's possible. There's also a possibility of us also blowing the account. But now, so far so good. We're looking good. I placed a trade yesterday. That the only problem that I was not streaming yesterday, but I had to also have this because I actually placed the trade on the account, so it's part of the trade. So let me even break down the trade I placed. Let me break down the trade I placed on gold, so you guys quickly see the trade, and you see the thought process about the trade and what I saw and how I just basically saw the trade and how I processed the trade. So the trade was a buy on gold, if I'm not mistaken. I think the buy was around here. So let me see. I'm trying to remember what I got it in the trade before. Let me try to remember what I got it in the trade from. I got into two different trades. That's how I got the account to that level. So the first trade was I think it was a buy. Yeah, it was a buy from. I think it was a buy from here. The buy was here. My stop was like around somewhere around here, and I caught. I think the price didn't really end if I buy because it was a 30 pip. So this was I think this was around the first entry. This was the trade 30 pip before price reversed to the downside. So previously like before this exact buy, I missed this move here because price broke above this level. If you look at it on your left, price broke above this candle closed above this level. This candle actually came down to retest. So as anyone on stream that period, this would have been a very clean buy for us like this, and you have got the move to the upside. And Caleb is on the chart. Caleb got this sell. He actually sent it to me. So this was a nice sell because price has already created a high low. So this like breakout. So he got this sell and he sent it to me. Like he got the sell to the downside for like 50 pips. So this was it was a crazy, it was crazy. So I mean I caught the buy. This was supposed to be the buy. I like this is the buy and it caught the sell. So I saw the opportunity. Price came back down. For those people that trade head and shoulder pattern, if that's the thing, so this was like the whole structure of the head and shoulder. And I saw an opportunity around here for a similar thing that happened in the left. So that was an opportunity for me to go long. So I went long on this and price pushed up. So that was it. And the second opportunity, I can't remember. I don't know if it was a buy from here. I think it was a buy from here, but it was a quick buy. Price was above this level based on higher time frame confidence. And okay, yeah, it was a buy from this level here with of this 50 minutes. So it was here. My stop loss below here for 21 pip and price moved up. So that was a buy. That was the two buy I got. to buy I got yesterday. The price just keep dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping. Yeah, that's fine. So we're waiting for this one, and price haven't told us what he wants to do yet, but we're just waiting patiently to see how price keep presenting itself. We know exactly what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're waiting for. To know exactly what we're doing. So aside that, there's nothing else to do in the chat but to just wait patiently, and that's it. So let's wait, and let's wait and see. Alright, guys, we're still waiting. Price hasn't done anything significant, so I'm looking at the 50 minutes to see exactly what happened. And I've been talking since I think you guys have been hearing me. So moving forward, I think I'll start streaming. I'll start streaming NY soon, but I'm yet to decide. I'm still observing it. Like maybe probably from a Monday, I'll start streaming both New York and London. Do you get me? Start streaming both New York and London because I have noticed like there are some of there are great there are great opportunities. There are great opportunities in London section in New York these days, but just that the volume is actually very high. So only thing we can do is like find a way to reduce our risks and all. So that's it. That's just it. Well, I'll let you guys know what I think or what the thing is. Let you guys know. So you guys can see you guys can see my balance. You can see my current balance. And you can see immediately you'll see my balance here. So that's where we are right now. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Waiting, guys. Waiting. One second, guys. I need to get something to drink. What else is going on? Nothing's going on. Give me 1 second, guys. What's up, Sha? What's up, Sha? Anyways, guys, nothing's going on this. Nothing's basically going on. So I don't know. Let's see if this particular candle will close bullish above this level. If you can get that, like I said, I was saying I think a level of resistance or something. So the 1 hour is kind of pushing bullish right now. The 1 hour is pushing bullish. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. So it has closed, and it's actually closed. It didn't break above. It didn't do anything of such. We have like I don't know. I'm going out in the next 3 hours or 2 hours. So I think it's 2 hours. I think 3 hours, 2 hours. This is 9, then 11. So okay, guys. Price is rejecting this level now. It's failing to break above or do anything. So I'm going to round up the stream now. If anything happens, everything come up, if any opportunities come up, I'm going to send it out to. I'm going to send it out to the group. I know I didn't send out any trade like yesterday or day yesterday. But if you get any updates, if you get any new things going on, I'm going to send it to the group, and we're going to use it in date. So I have some other things I need to do. I have some things I need to do. So let me quickly just do that. Um, so that be it. So I'm going to show you guys more. You can see the trade is pushing downwards. This is why I'm looking for sale. So you can, in case I don't send the trade out, you guys can look at this trade and pay attention to my levels. You can see what I'm looking for. Sales for buys. I don't have any clean level for buys there because there's a lot of resistance here. There's no clean any clean area for buys. So I'm waiting for price to actually break below this low for me to look for sales. So that's it, guys. That's it. You don't need to trade every day as long as your setup doesn't play out well. So that's it. So I'm going to mark this as this is day 2, but we didn't get any trade in day 2. So this is what it is. So this is what it is. So I'm going to see you guys same time tomorrow. Hopefully we get a cleaner setup and we get a wonderful opportunity to also activate the trade. So see you guys same time tomorrow. Peace out. Hope you learned something from here. Hope you learned, even though you didn't learn, even though we didn't place any trade. Hope you learn how to just be patient and just look at your screen and not do anything or react towards it or anything. So that's it. So see you guys. Peace out. Stay blessed. Stay wicked.